Good job.
Ooh, who made that hit?
3-5-3.
See if anybody can get back. They punting? They're punting.
Why he waiting to say it right when he was?
Was he getting ready to run?
Nice conversation. We understood what I was talking about.
They don't think we follow there.
Walmart. Oh, when I bought my last one, I was debating between whatever Android phone was at the time and I tried.
Lay down for a minute, look at TV, then do
Don't be Friday. That's how they gotta wake up to Friday. And that's the first step of the season. But that's coming.
Also, his conditioning is getting a little bit better.
Oh, yeah. On the same play? Around? Got him.
Ice packs.
Offense. Good job. Almost. All right, cool. Let me know. Fall on it. My mind get popped right in this chest. They ain't learned yet. But if you stay low, you win the situation. If I want to be more powerful off the ball, you the same. Hey! Get him! Good job. We just want him to be, stay in the 2-point stand and do this. No, man, you need to learn how to get the 3-point stand. There is no. Right, you know, so I'm like, it might as well move you down now so you can be with the team that you're going to be with. And,
You're supposed to play Matthew Dickey yesterday.
Get away!
Boy!
Get in there!
Good run.
All of that stuff too. So that was good. The one that might be a little more harder to get into.
Yeah, they were we got up there. We didn't actually try to get up there until Sunday, right before we left, and they were closed. But we.
That experience you can't turn it. Cause like what I ended up doing, cause I had my boys with me, all 3 of them.
Rice knew we wanted to run somebody over.
You go to that dude. Everybody pick up your man. So you see the pass. You know, on top of seeing the other parts of Missouri and all of that. Not only just the tour, but letting them see. This is the path. Like, I never thought about that. A Michigan, Stanford, and LSU fan.
Okay.
But he told me, it was so funny. He talking about.
Oh, Aaron's got it.
Was in his eye. Jump around on the top.
Oh, yeah, I know what you're talking about. So over the by Sky Zone?
Yeah, it's right around it. It's like,
Yeah, a little external thing I can bring next time.
oh, the kind of just charge. I had a friend that had one of those. You know what? That'd be cool. It's all right. He's playing better than me, so it's cool.
Good shot.
Way to go, Aaron! You see that now?
Oh. Gosh. They got too many in the backfield. They got too many in the backfield. Oh, no, they punting. That's 4. Get away!
Come on, defense! That's all you want.
Just started the 4th quarter. Yeah. Just started on time.
Twin. You got to catch that one, Dirty.
Hurry up! Steve, get on the line. Don't wait on them. Like you going to the other, like you going to Chippewa, like you going to Watson Road. You know how it slants to the right? Yeah. Right. Nice conversation, watching video. Yeah, nice conversation. About what he was doing, not doing, showing him what he wasn't doing. Yeah. Y'all know the plays. The team ran the same play.
Good.
So then we went, I forgot who we played. Francis High. We played some teams we had never played because our district had changed. We went from playing Riverview